want some form of a foundational approach. You want to get the basics in rather than trying to do the most specific, difficult element of the job. So suffice to say, of course, we have a huge value on putting a foundation in place. It's often missed, isn't it? It's often talked about, but missed out. Maybe it's because it takes a little bit of time, due diligence, a bit of patience. But sometimes all you really need to focus on is a foundation in the first place, and that actually gives you most of your results, if not all, and you don't end up having to be so specific anyway. But either way, if we're going to start anywhere, we really want to start with a foundation. One reason is it does actually give us a baseline. If you want to be able to monitor, evaluate, or just compare and measure the influence and the results you're getting, you need some form of point of reference, a baseline measurement of where am I at or where was I at. And if you jump far too far ahead without any reference point to measure anything, you end up sort of playing around in the dark a little bit, and that's what gets frustrating and confusing and stressful sometimes. Now, when we spend a bit of time in this foundation stage, we might be there for a few days, weeks, or months, who knows, but we're going to look at, it's a great time to get some basics in of the principles of human function, and we'll come back to these